Welcome to Alta 2023 Christmas Year-End Party.
Welcome to Alta Black Glamorous Gala 2023.
I think it's time to take the halls. Me and all my friends go all out, all out. Get the red carpet and ball out.
So, Alta Champs and Alta Leads, I hope mag-enjoy kayong lahat sa last event natin for the year. Good job for 2023 and we are looking forward na mas masagana tayo at mas masaya for 2024.
Feel it in the air. It's Christmas.
Congratulations Alta Champs and Alta Leads. Maraming salamat. Let us continue to serve 100,000 families to have their dream home. Mabuhay!
Now everybody's singing.
To our Alta family, Merry Christmas, and I just want to greet everyone happy holidays, no? We're praying for a happy and loving relationship in this season of Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody.
So let's treat us.
Maraming salamat kasi andyan pa rin kayo at kasama namin ngayong 2023 and we are looking forward na kasama pa din namin kayo sa 2024. Let's go with our mission, 100,000 families to serve. We can do this. Merry Christmas, everyone, and advance Happy New Year.
Now everybody's singing.
You could say that you had a blast this 2023. Maybe for some of you, you achieved greater heights and you achieved peak performance. So if you've actually created so much wonderful result for the past 2023, I just want to acknowledge you for a really job well done.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng effort natin ngayong taon. Palakpakan mo yung sarili mo kasi ginawa mo yung best mo.
Can feel it in the air. It's Christmas. In here. It's the best time of the year. It's Christmas. In here. Now everybody's
We appreciate those people who believed in us. Those ngayon pa lamang mag-a-attempt or mag-try on saan papunta yung company. It's never too late because we want everyone to see you happy and successful.
yeah, it's got me singing. Yeah, it's got me singing.
I really wanted to make our partnership with Alta different. I wanted something that can last very long and can go very far. And those are things na hindi natin siya pwede mararush. Every year, the relationship will improve, get better, get stronger, get bigger.
Yeah, it's got me singing.
Lagi lang po tayo maging grateful sa lahat ng blessings na natatanggap natin.
Huwag lang natin sayangin yung tiwalang binibigay sa atin ng ating founder. Yun, hard work.
Thank you first, of course, to Sir Raymond and to Ma'am April for giving us this opportunity, for welcoming us, both of us, dahil kahit bago lang kami, they still give us the chance to become, ito na nga, maging manager.
For those who wants to be a leader, hindi siya madali. Sobrang hirap. The ladder of success of being a leader is not easy for all of us. First, trust the process, trust the God, trust our founders, and trust our company.
Ito yung first ko kung sakali na next year makapag-travel abroad. So, today na natupad po lahat yon. Thank you very much po, Alta and Sir Raymond and Ma'am April po. Thank you very much po talaga.
dun sa mga nag-start pa lang, alam niyo na yung future niyo kay Alta. Kaya gawin natin yung best natin para hindi lang kami yung umaakit dito. Tayo, magpatuloy lang tayo. Kung ano yung goal natin, patuloy lang po tayo at magtiwala po sa ating founders. Ang ating best in OOTN, Roslyn Viñalon. Best in OOTN Male, Rodney Lapita. The luckiest winner of Sony Bravia 55 inches TV is...
Come over here, Aaron and Janice Delanton. Let's go to Bangkok, Marjorie.
I'm so excited sa Christmas party na to kasi ang dami naming binago, ang daming upgrades, ang daming pag-games na kakaiba. So, pinagplanuhan ng management. Thank you so much sa pagtitiwala at gusto namin na maging masaya kayo sa araw na to. Maraming salamat and God bless us.
God bless us all.